have like a number of friends coming over. It's kind of going away for my a going away party for my apartment in a way. So I'm just gonna host about 10 odd friends, 10-12 friends, and yeah, we're just gonna have a blast. Let me show you what I'm doing. So I made quiches. These are spinach and cheese. Yum! One of my last few days at the apartment, at my current apartment, and today is bingo night, so we're gonna go have fun, probably have some churros, and just say goodbye to this beautiful house. My cupboard. I had to put a shoe stand inside and assemble it inside to get it to function as a closet. Things that I didn't need, I'm just gonna donate clothing to this van. Oh, perfect. So this opens up. All you do is place this here and just close that. Done. So today is the D-Day, the reveal. Today is when I'm gonna get the keys to my new house and I'm gonna see it for the very first time. I know a lot of people are very surprised by this concept, but because the apartment was in high demand and it's not available until just the day when we wanted to move in, so basically this is when I'm gonna be able to see it. I'm super excited. It's just, this was our dream home in a lot of ways. Like, it has a beautiful kitchen, it's a really large one. So finally getting to see it in person is just something else. Just look at this. Just look at this. Okay, so this is even better than what I expected. Starting off with a highlight, it's a windowed kitchen here and with stunning views of the Hackensack River and the sunset views. Like, this is the west, so sunset views are, I'm hoping, amazing. This is basically, so this is the same view, and this is a corner apartment that I chose because, well, just more light, more views, right? And the best part, cannot believe, like, I didn't think I'd see as much of the Midtown skyline, and this looks small, trust me, but it's like right in your face. And then this is the bedroom. And just look from here, You can see the water, and I know, like, I'm moving from another apartment which has water views, but this is more than I expected. Way more than I expected. So this is fantastic. And that is Manhattan, Midtown. So yeah. Just in terms of how things will work out, so I'm planning on putting my desk here to work out of. Bed. Probably get another closet here a little bit because I don't think the space is enough here. And then this is where I'll get a sofa, TV, probably put a lamp in here, get a plant around here. This would be the dining with hopefully, you know, where you could hopefully see sunset each day while having dinner. And yeah, the rest is just the same. All my life packed into boxes, ready to move elsewhere. And so that's a wrap on this apartment. It's given me shelter and lots of memories over the last 1 year. Some of my more foundational memories of being in the US, since this is the longest we stayed at in US. Fantastic views, great friends I made here, but it's time for the next one.
4 p.m. 4:56 p.m. We booked our movers for 4 p.m. We loaded a lot of things ourselves because no sign of movers. Our reservation at the elevator is about to expire, and yeah, this is just how pathetic the service was today. It's 5:12 p.m. right now, still no sign of movers. We are here just with our stuff waiting, and they never showed up.
Beautiful sunny morning in the new home. Look at those views. So today at the Creative Marriage store, and I'm just trying to finalize decor for the house. Much in love with this sofa, so much in love with it, but too steep a price. Where these chairs are, just hanging.